5 English words having 4 letters within this crossword table. The first one is grit. The second one is stock. The third one is gain. The fourth one is pest. And the last one is envy.
This is the structure of talk. T-A-L-K. So T is threonine, A alanine, L leucine, and K is lysine. So this is the result of the combination of the T-A-L-K. So it is combined by the COH and the NH by removing the H2O. So this is the removal of the H2O. So this is the structure of gain. G-A-I-N. So G is glycine, alanine, isoleucine, and asparagine. So this is the combination of the gain, G-A-I-N. So it is combined at the COH and NH by eliminating the H2O. So this is the structure of grid. G-R-I-D. Glycine, arginine, isoleucine, and aspartic acid. So this is the combination for the grid, G-R-I-D. It is combined at the COH and the NH, connected by the peptide bond and eliminating the H2O.
In ribose, the C2 endoparker involves the hydroxyl group on C2 being oriented towards the same side as the C5 carbon, which creating a 2-endo conformation. Meanwhile, for the C3, the hydroxyl group on C3 being oriented towards the opposite side of the C5 carbon, which creating a 3rd-endo conformation.
Deoxyribose is a 5-carbon sugar molecule that forms the backbone of DNA. In deoxyribose, the absence of the hydroxyl group on carbon 2 results in a 2-endoparker where the carbon 2 is oriented towards the same side as the carbon 5. Also, the carbon 3 endoparker involves the hydroxyl group on carbon 3 that being oriented towards the opposite side of the carbon 5 that's similar to ribose.
So here at my right is alpha D-glucose and left beta D-glucose. So what are the difference of these two? So here as you can see, alpha D-glucose have H at the upper and OH at the lower. So but for beta D-glucose, OH at the upper and the H at the lower. So that's all. Okay, so now here is the chair configuration. For alpha D-glucose, first is how to identify the first carbon. The hydrogen is placed at the upper and the OH placed at the lower. So for beta D-glucose, the hydrogen placed at the lower and the OH placed at the upper. Here where is the slide.
An example of a disaccharide that is not a reducing sugar is the sucrose. An appropriate treatment that makes the sugar to show positive result with penalty reagent is hydrolysis.